to my new living room. I apologize, I haven't shown you too much of the house yet. I've just been kind of taking my time with it, letting it soak in. I feel like with this move, I've just been taking things a little slower. I wanted to have the time to get to absorb and kind of live in the moment for myself first before just showing everything. I will be sure to show you more photos and things like that as, you know, as I figure things out. And today I wanted to film a what I eat in a day. It's been like 2-3 months since I last filmed one, and I just really miss cooking, and now that the kitchen is all done, I want to be able to cook in there. I also want to bake for my neighbors. Oh my goodness, everyone has been so nice. They've been bringing us food, ice cream, homemade food, homemade alcohol. Like, it's just been so warm and friendly here, so I really wanted to bake for them. But anyways, before I jump into the video, I do want to say thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's vlog. I started therapy back in, I think, 2019. You guys may remember me talking about it, and then the pandemic happened. I pretty much fell off of therapy, and I've been wanting to get started again. So I heard about BetterHelp through some of my friends, and I decided just like, why not give it a try for myself? I really like the idea of the flexibility. It allows the flexibility of talking to my counselor or therapist online at home. In the past with my therapist that I saw in person, it was a good experience, but there were a lot of moments where I felt very nervous just having that human interaction, and I thought like BetterHelp would just be perfect for me because it allows me to be in the comfort of my own home. And if you know me, I am such a hermit. Like, I just really enjoy being home. So a little backstory as to why I started therapy back in 2019. I feel like I'm reaching that stage of adulthood where there's just more and more responsibilities, and I feel like the more I know about the world, the more I feel anxious. And when I started therapy, I wanted it to be something that can help me grow as a person. I wanted to talk to someone that is outside of my immediate circle, someone that can help me get to better understand my emotions, if that makes sense. So that's why I started therapy. With BetterHelp, they assess your needs and they'll match you to a licensed professional therapist. And within their network, they have over 15,000 therapists that you can choose from. So if ever you felt like you didn't really connect with your therapist, it's totally okay. It's free to change, which I really love. I had to switch my therapist once, and it was so easy. I just went online to my profile and I was able to choose a different therapist within minutes. You're also able to log into your account and send a message to your counselor at any time. They always provide a timely response. In my experience, my counselor responds within the same day. So it just makes everything very simple and easy. This is also a more affordable option than traditional offline counseling, and financial aid is also available. So if this is something you're interested in, you can get 10% off your first month with my link right here. It is BetterHelp. That is betterhelp.com/Weylie. This is from my friend's cookbook. It is seriously the best. You can make it as a cake or a muffin. So I think I'm gonna do muffins like what she did here. Last time I made this, I thought I had a little too much frosting, so I'm gonna cut it down by half. Baking in this kitchen really suits the vibe. This is like glued shut. Oh no! Okay. Oh, this happens every time. Luckily I have another one. Had a situation. I didn't read the instructions properly. I was supposed to mix everything in slowly, but I poured everything in at once. So my frosting came out just terrible. I still have half of the ingredients, so hopefully it will be okay. So I'm supposed to whisk the cheese first. My mixer, I can't find the other part from the move. I must have lost it. So we're gonna see if just using one is gonna do it.
better.
Yeah, it looks better.
It's not as like chunky as the other one.
Oh well, I still need to
take
put
it out?
in maple syrup right now.
Oh, okay. Should I take this out? Like it's not...
Yeah, let's take a look. I like baking, but it just makes me so nervous because everything has to be so precise.
Okay.
Why is it doing that again?
Huh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think it's like after the syrup went in.
The syrup messed it up. Wait, what?
It was just fine.
Oh my god, it looks weird.
How about I just go get cheese? I'll just go get more cheese and then no, don't put the syrup this time.
Okay. No! It was going so well! And then now it clumped. What is... I feel like I know what went wrong. I think I just need to, with a electric mixer. Just smelling this brings like pure joy. Yeah. This is like the best thing ever to eat on a hot summer day. He's just underneath the table rubbing her back. It's perfect! Oh yeah. Almost cut myself.
I've never seen somebody peel an avocado.
It feels so wrong. It's actually, wow! Peeled nicely. Okay, smooth side facing me. Right, that makes sense. I hope so. video should be called "What I Eat in a Day." My boyfriend cooks for me.
Wow, this is just beautiful. It didn't even make it all the way.
It's okay. We'll hide it on the bottom. This is such a fail. What is this? Terrible.
My boyfriend says, we have sushi at home. Sushi at home.
So we only have spicy mayo inside of a jar and not a squeezy bottle. And Weylie found this clean syringe. Keyword clean. It is clean. And this is how we're going to. Yeah.
Like this?
Okay.
That did not end well.
There's way too much rice, but the spicy truffle mayo makes it amazing. Yeah, I feel like without the sauce, it probably wouldn't be good at all. It's just so plain because all you're really tasting is rice because the cucumber and the avocado is so small compared to the amount of rice in here. Definitely satisfies my sushi craving without having to go out and buy it, so